the air is warming. Our planet is changing faster than ever before. Global warming doesn't just raise temperatures, it amplifies existing environmental vulnerabilities. Melting polar ice contributes to rising sea levels, putting coastal communities at risk. Heat waves strain infrastructure and pose serious health threats. Changing climates disrupt agriculture, leading to crop failures and food insecurity. Precious ecosystems like coral reefs are dying. This acceleration makes the challenge more daunting, highlighting the need for immediate action. A critical danger lies in climate feedback loops. As ice melts, darker surfaces absorb more heat, accelerating warming. Forest fires release stored carbon, further increasing atmospheric greenhouse gases. Global warming isn't a distant threat. This acceleration is alarming. The biggest threat? Feedback loops. Melting ice means darker water absorbs more heat, speeding up warming. Burning forests release stored carbon, adding fuel to the fire. These loops make the crisis harder to stop the longer we wait. Delaying action only increases the challenge we face. But there is hope in action. We must transition to clean energy like solar and wind. Invest in public transport and sustainable farming practices. Protect and restore forests. Change our consumption habits, use less, waste less, choose wisely. Support policies that hold polluters accountable and fund green innovation. Now, picture this. What if global warming vanished overnight? No effort, no transition, just gone. It sounds like a dream come true. Temperatures drop, ice grows, wildfires cease, skies clear, crops flourish, and the world celebrates. News headlines declare victory and hope floods social media. But the planet doesn't reset without consequence. Sudden cooling throws systems into disarray. Crops fail from unexpected frost. Tropical species die in colder zones. Coastal areas face volatile storms. Infrastructure built for heat struggles with cold. The rapid change is devastating. Ocean currents destabilize, impacting global weather. Marine ecosystems collapse from temperature shock. Fish populations plummet, threatening food supplies worldwide. Psychologically, we become complacent. Climate action stops. Renewable energy industries falter. Emissions rise again because we forget the danger. Hidden threats remain. Thawed permafrost has already released ancient microbes and methane. Even if warming stops, the damage done could resurface. Nature remembers. It simply waits. A miracle doesn't erase the consequences of our actions. We don't need a miracle, we need responsibility. We see it in devastating wildfires, powerful hurricanes, prolonged droughts, and unpredictable floods. These events disrupt economies, threaten food and water supplies, and endanger countless species. The evidence is undeniable and demands our attention. We must understand its urgency. Global temperatures are climbing, a clear signal of a planet under stress. Glaciers and ice sheets are shrinking at alarming rates. Extreme weather events are becoming more frequent and intense. Global warming won't disappear on its own, and a sudden fix without changing our ways could be equally destructive. The real solution is balance, respect, and harmony with our planet. Earth doesn't need saving from warming alone. It needs saving from us. Don't wait for a miracle. Start today. Reduce your footprint, support green policies, and talk about climate action. These loops create a cycle where warming feeds on itself. The longer we wait, the harder it becomes to halt or reverse these processes. Understanding these mechanisms is crucial for effective intervention. Despite the scale of the challenge, solutions exist, offering a path towards a sustainable future. Transitioning to renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydro is vital. Investing in sustainable transportation and agriculture can reduce emissions significantly. Protecting and restoring forests helps absorb carbon. Conscious consumption, reducing waste, reusing, and recycling, empowers individual action. Supporting policies that promote green innovation and hold polluters accountable is essential for systemic change. Every action, big or small, contributes to the solution. Avoiding even a fraction of a degree of warming can save lives and protect fragile ecosystems. Hope lies in our collective ability to implement these changes. Marine life, including recovering coral reefs, could face new threats from temperature shock. Psychologically, a sudden win could breed complacency. The urgency for climate action might disappear. Investment in renewables could halt, and fossil fuel use might surge again, driven by a false sense of security. Furthermore, the damage already done might not simply vanish. Thawed permafrost could continue releasing potent greenhouse gases and ancient pathogens. Nature remembers the changes we've imposed. This thought experiment reveals a crucial truth. We don't need a miracle. We need responsibility and a balanced approach. Global warming won't disappear on its own, and a sudden, uncontrolled reversal could bring its own set of devastating consequences. The real solution isn't a magical reset. It's a conscious, sustained effort to live in harmony with our planet. It requires understanding the science, acknowledging the urgency, embracing hopeful solutions, and acting with balance and respect. The future is in our hands. Learn more about climate science and its impacts. Discuss these challenges and solutions with your friends, family, and community. Support sustainable practices and advocate for policies that prioritize a healthy planet. Your voice and actions matter. Let's work together for a balanced, sustainable future.